My name is Allison Meyer Madrigal, and I am the founder and president of Rescue America. We are a 24/7 rescue hotline and emergency response for victims of sexual exploitation and sex trafficking across the U.S. Southwest has been an incredible partner for Rescue America and truly a game changer in the anti-trafficking movement. So it is so highly important that we can get victims out of the city that they've been trafficked in into a safe home in a different location.
We have a great partnership with Rescue America. When survivors come to the station, we like to meet them down at the ticket counter. That way we make sure they get their boarding pass, they're ready to go. We actually go through security with our survivors. We will print out some meal vouchers, we'll sit in the gate with them, and then finally we will walk them all the way through the jet bridge and help them get on the plane, because many of them have never flown before.
Southwest employees have been a huge part of really bringing felt safety to the survivor when they're flying. That personal touch and care is just so important for the survivor feeling safe on their traveling journey.
It's the Southwest way. It's part of our values. It's service with love. So if I can come to work every day and do what I do at Southwest, and then just a little bit of that time is helping another person, helping Rescue America, helping them get to their new life, I'll do that every single day.